I was standing at that bar downtown when I heard a sound that pulled me down. From a phone across the room came a voice I knew too soon. It was me from long ago, saying things you used to know. Hey, I love you, call me back. Funny how you kept that, but it wasn't me you looked at then. It was someone else's hand. That's my voice in your new life, but I'm not the one by your side. Every word I meant for you now, just something you played through. I used to be your everything, now I'm just a memory. That's my voice, but not my place. You laugh like it don't hurt at all, like I never meant that call. And she smiled like she belongs where I thought I'd be all along. I turned away to stay too long, caught between what's right and wrong, hearing pieces of my past in a moment I can't have. Every second felt so loud, but I couldn't say it out. That's my voice in your new life, and it cuts me like a knife. Oh, and it cuts me like a knife. That's my voice in your new life, and it cuts me like a knife. If I never said those words, would it still be her? That's my voice in your new life, but I'm gone.